Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Huobi or HTX wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, just tap on the HTX or Huobi wallet application and you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already using your biometrics or your email address and your password. So go ahead and choose whichever option is suitable for you and log into your account. Once you log in, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to change your username, you can simply tap on your account icon at the top left corner to end up on your profile page. Now tap on your user ID and then you will find the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on Edit Profile and now you will see various details about your profile that you can edit. If you tap on the username section, you will see that there is your email address displayed, but you cannot change it until you verify your identification. So go ahead and tap on ID verification, and within this option you will be asked to verify your account, but you also have the option to enter your username. Go ahead and tap on the verify button and now select your nationality from the drop down menu, and after this you will be able to enter your username. Type in your last name first and then your first name followed by your date of birth. Finally tap on the submit button and then wait for your identity to be verified. Once your identity has been verified, you will find your username alongside the username section instead of your email address. After this, you can simply tap on the username section to change your username at any time within the Huobi or HTX app. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on changing your username on the Huobi or HTX wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.